All right, so we're going to talk about how to properly mount the Hoplite on your NVGs. Simple steps, but if you screw it up, it's not going to work. First, you're going to turn on your nods at night, and you're going to adjust it so you have your clarity out to infinity. That's usually bottomed out, and then somewhere around there. I already set it. Let me readjust. Now I'm set at infinity. You're going to take your nods, set them down. You're going to open the Hoplite. So the Hoplite locks by just turning this locking ring. So it's in the open position. This is your mounting screw. You're going to slide it on so that it's lined up 12 o'clock with how the nods are going to be mounted. This is where it gets tricky, boys and girls. You need to keep your focus. So hold the hinge and rotate the locking screw. And that should keep it pretty much centered. All right, now you're going to open it all the way up. And you're going to check your infinity focus, because that's how you're going to use it 90% of the time. So now we know our infinity focus, our high percentage usage, is crystal clear. And then when we want to engage the Hoplite, you're just going to rotate it like that. You can run it full back, you can run it 90 degrees, and then when you use it, it's this way. Now, something to think about, as you roll the dial down, the apertures get bigger until it blacks out. And then you keep rolling, you start at the smallest, and you make your way up. All right, so we have 4 open positions, 4 aperture positions. When you use the apertures, especially the lower 2, you're going to lose a lot of ambient light. So you're going to need a secondary IR light source. We get a lot of people who will go down to the second to smallest aperture and they're like, I can't see anything. It's all blacked out. That's how this works. If you want clarity while still keeping your infinity focus, you need to supplement it with infrared light. If you got any other questions, reach out to us on the website. Thanks.